Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of it is how this man stole $40,000 from an ATM. I don't know how he did that, man. What type of ATM got 40,000 in it? But let's get into it.
On May 26, 2022, officers responded to a burglary call at a bowling alley. The suspect, who had broken in through the back door, was seen leaving the parking lot by one of the officers.
Alright, the south door is smashed out. When more units get there, we're gonna do an interior check.
Bruh, you ain't even make it out of the parking lot? What? Oh yeah, boy, you done, boy.
Well, can you get a hold of the key holder, please?
Emergency traffic only, interior check, rolling full, 601-159.
I'm good. I don't know if he got in. He must have got through. Yeah, there's glass in here, Sarge.
70, what's 10?
There's glass over here. We didn't go over here, so.
He says he parked in the back parking lot of the bowling alley to walk over to the condos.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you usually park there, or is it?
No, this is my first time going over there. She just called me and said she was there with a friend, but I guess they not answering. I don't know. Maybe her man came back. That's the only thing I can see. So
Her man came back and you had to dip
so
out
she,
of there?
she
Or?
not answering the phone, that type of thing.
I gotcha.
What's the name?
So now I'm like, I'm not gonna go home.
Oh, you gonna go home, all right? On a metal bed, you hear me? You gonna take a trip down to that county and get you a free bed and breakfast. That's where you gonna go.
What do you do for work?
How old is she approximately, do you know?
34, she be like 34, 33. She don't stay with her friends there.
So you don't have an address for her? You just...
No, she stay out west. She's out here visiting a friend, so they called me out here.
To go to the friend's house. Do you have that friend's address on your phone or something, or?
You know where she lived before that? Did she live in another town before she lived in
She stayed like right off of Oak Park, so Austin and like Iowa.
Oh,
This is street, yeah.
City?
It's west side of the city,
Yeah.
Austin area.
It's too big of an area for us to try and...
Oh,
You got a phone on you or nothing with that address, or?
Take a look. It's been in here for a while.
We tried it open, it's definitely back.
It'd be nice if they had a video camera. Say like right here.
Yeah,
They don't.
right there. Right there. Right there. There's 4 cameras. Oh,
I want you to step out of the car for me, man.
yep.
Give me another unit or two over the bowling alley, please.
Alright, man, put your phone in your pocket.
70 en route, well, going.
Listen, man, I'm gonna put you in, you're just gonna be detained right now, okay? I'm just gonna put you in handcuffs, they can always come off, okay? You're just being detained right now, okay? There's something going on from that business you were just at, alright? And you were the last car to leave from that area, okay?
Alright.
10-10-10.
You're alright.
Can I, boss?
You're alright, come here. Alright, anything that's gonna poke, stick, or hurt me, my man? I'm just gonna detain
It's
you.
right here,
What do you got?
the knife, right there.
Alright, relax. Keep your hands up.
Give me a minute, we just put him in handcuffs there.
See it?
Yep. Comb?
Yeah.
You got anything else on you, boss?
My top pocket.
What's in there?
Should be keys. Right here. Up here, in my breast pocket.
It's okay.
There's keys there too. So,
Yeah, I got it. Was there anyone with you tonight?
No, I'm by myself.
You're by yourself? Okay. All right. Come over here for a second.
Okay.
Just right here. Relax. Relax. I'm gonna get you some, okay? All right, man. I'm sure you've been read your Miranda warnings before?
Yeah.
Miranda rights? All right, I'm gonna read them to you again from this pre-approved card, okay?
The suspect claimed that he was in the area to meet his girlfriend.
Hold on. God damn, what the officer mean by that? You've been read your Mirandas before, right? God, nigga, what the fuck? What the hell? Nah, I ain't got no dirty record, man. I ain't never been. How you just gonna assume? Nah, they probably ran his name and stuff. He probably been in trouble before.
But he couldn't produce her address or phone number, while the CCTV footage from the bowling alley told a compelling story of its own.
It sounds like one of those doors are open at that bowling alley right by you.
Okay.
Okay. So were you going in there at all? Did you go into that business at all?
Nah.
No? I just want you to see where we're coming from, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I totally understand.
Okay.
I totally understand. Yes. No, I didn't.
No? Okay. Because the alarm went off too. That's what originally set us off over there, and then that's why we came back
Yeah, I
over
just
here.
waited till you got over there.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't go over that at all.
You didn't open.
That boy got the same hoodie on and everything, man. Come on, bro. Come on. At least he put some gloves on, but yeah, you done, man. You done, man.
I didn't go over that at all.
You didn't open the door handles or anything like that. That was set off the alarm.
The door handles, no.
No? Okay. No big deal, man. Do you want to see? Do you want to put him in the car, Chad? Maybe it was on the right point. We'll just throw you in. Yeah. We'll just throw you in the car.
Get you out of the rain, okay? Yeah, you might. Yeah, you can turn that way or turn the other. You know what I mean? Or the other way. Put your hands in that corner. Is that better?
Okay.
Good thing you spotted the car.
Hard not to be falling out of the water.
The ATM machine of the bowling alley had been broken into, and a search of the male's vehicle revealed 2 crowbars, 2 pairs of gloves, and a gray metal box.
All right, Tempo, we have like some gray box in the car. We have no idea what it is. Looks like it might be a money box or
We
something.
haven't gone in the car yet. We're just looking through the windows.
Yeah, that sounds like what's on the floor here.
See that little box that's in the car? Would fit right there.
Yeah, that's what we call a clue.
Which box did you say it looks like it
I
was
think
in
it goes
perfect?
right there. Because these 3 look like they go
Yeah,
1, 2, 3 right there. The other one is different size and shape, and it looks like it would fit in there.
That's in the car.
And it also looks like it's got like the intake for dollar bills, which is exactly where where that dollar bill thing right there.
So this is probably the deposit, and these are the withdrawals.
Yeah.
He said he was going to visit some girl who lives over in the condos over there, and he parked back in the back lot. But like I said, just as I'm pulling in, he's coming out, and I just whipped around and
There's the crowbar.
there's the crowbar. Here's the metal box. We don't know. And then Kevin, now that he's out of here,
than the ones in there.
and Kevin
but
just
I
like,
mean,
what do you see in that bag, John? What do you see in that bag?
gloves.
No, look in the bag.
Duck down. You're too tall.
Yeah, I see a 5. I see a.
Oh
bunch of
yeah,
cash.
yeah. I see it.
I called Ford and I asked him what he wanted me to. I mean,
Yeah, he's got some kind of hammer in there, some kind of tool in there too, with a wooden handle.
I mean, I think we have enough to search for that, but he said he was going to call the Dicks.
I think we have absolutely. I think we got a ball more than enough. You just caught this guy coming out of the parking lot,
And there's only one way in and one way out of that parking lot.
and
That's it.
the glass is smashed. He's got plenty of things in here to smash the glass with.
Yeah, that was about 20. That's crazy. It's crazy, ain't it, Mr. Camera?
His cuffs are in front of him.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we'll take him in.
All right, let's switch that though.
I'm sure. I get where I'm sure he's not very comfortable, but
I don't know how the hell he did that in a car.
I don't know. He's a big guy too.
You never know. How'd you get those cuffs in front of you?
Put them in front of me. Shit hurt.
How the hell did you do that? You're a big dude.
We're just amazed that you were able to do it.
That's all it is.
That shit hurt. Very bad.
All right, man, look, you're going to go back to the station, okay? I'm going to take you to our station, all right?
You're going back for an investigation, okay? We got a broken window and stuff in there. You understand? Okay.
Do you need that tissue, or can you mind throwing it out?
No, it's enough. Wipe out. Oh.
You can just toss them, man. It's no big deal. All right, I'm gonna take you to the station, okay? Huh?
Have someone meet you there.
Yeah.
I gotta stay with the car.
The suspect was identified as 37-year-old Frederick, who was out on bond for a similar burglary charge at the time of his arrest. A bag of cash amounting over $40,000 was recovered from his car. He was charged with commercial burglary and theft, while his bond was set at $5,000.
Yo, you was on, like, come on, bruh. You was on bond for another burglary. Clearly robbing ain't your thing, bro. Clearly stealing is not your thing. Every time you do it, you get caught, man. Man, you need to find another career, man, because this one ain't working out for you, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.